You alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing some good old-fashioned green laning in this one. As you all know, if you're subscribed to this channel long enough, you will know that every Boxing Day we come along to Long Mynd and we do a little bit of green laning. The reason for that is it's in the memory of basically Andrew. He was a great member of the FL2ORG off-road group. Me and Alana didn't really get to meet him that much, unfortunately. I think we met him a couple of times. Some of the stories some of the guys say about him on the group, he was an absolute character. So this kind of runs in memory of him, that we do every year. It's kind of become a bit of a traditional thing. We've had a couple of dropouts, unfortunately, for various reasons, but yeah, we've got some of the guys here already. Just waiting on Michael and maybe Gary, I think it is. He's always the one to turn up, about 3 minutes to spare normally. Just give you a little tour. It's absolutely stunning up here, really is beautiful. I think this is the Shropshire area. I'll probably get murdered because I normally call it like Wales or something like that, but I believe this is Shropshire. Could be wrong on that as well, so please don't murder me if I've got it wrong. We're just gonna have a lovely time, hopefully. Nice few good lanes, all being well. There's one of the lanes that's closed off that we normally do, so yeah, we might end up doing one of the lanes twice, uphill and downhill, but apart from that, yeah, let's crack on with this, see how it goes. Just to name who's who and what they're in, we have us in our Freelander 2. We've got Paul and Tony. It's Tony's car, but Paul's running shotgun because Paul used to have a Freelander 2, now doesn't, so he's running shotgun with Tony. Then we have Elliot and his dad, they're in their disco. Then we're just waiting on Gary and we're waiting on Michael, and then that'll be the group complete for this run. So here we have it. Here's Gary's black Freelander 2. I'm joking, I obviously know that it's a disco, but for those of you that have been subscribed long enough, you will know that Gary normally arrives in his black Freelander 2, but he's since sold that and this is what he's replaced it with. And look, you wouldn't believe he's actually got into the festive spirit. Ho 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 everyone.
Everyone hear us?
Yeah, you're fine.
You turned around and the gate just seemed to just go.
Yeah.
Oh. watch where you're going, obviously, because it's really wet. But look, puddles.
Oh yeah.
Just watch where you're walking, because it's all wet. Now let's see who can splash Scott the most with a puddle.
Accepted. Definitely real spin.
Brilliant.
There.
You smell of like puddle water.
Funny that.
I don't understand why.
So guys, we've stopped at the lunch stop. How do you think it's gone so far?
Good so far.
Good so far?
No complaints. You're a little bit damp and you smell like puddle water, so.
But other than that, so
good.
far so good. And
All
I
good.
don't smell of horse poo or sheep poo so
Not
far.
yet. There was some chocolate raisins back there, but
Little bit. Comment down below who you think splashed me the best. Do that.
wasn't me.
But yeah, like I say, the lanes have been fantastic. The trip so far has been spot on.
The
No
sun's
issues.
quite bright.
Yeah, we're just having a bite to eat, chinwag, that sort of thing, relax.
Yep.
And then for those of you that know this route, normally we head off in that direction, head down there, but we have checked this route out on Trailway, sorry. And unfortunately that lane down there is closed due to weather damage, storm damage, that sort of thing.
Something like
So we'll be heading back the way we've come, and then we'll continue on the route as per normal. So we'll catch you in the next clip. Here we go guys. Alana, you're not going to be able to tell, but she's not on the pedals at all.
Feet are off the ground.
We've got the hill descent engaged.
Oh, that took quite a lot of core muscles.
We as you can probably tell from the view in front, yeah, it's quite a downhill descent. We're just holding on the hill descent, just letting the car do all the work for us. This is where hill descent comes into its own. I don't know if you'll hear on camera, but you can hear kind of like pulsing from the brakes where it's changing, where it's putting the brake pressure because this rocky material. But yeah, this is where some of the tools of the Freelander 2 really come into their own. So there we have it, guys. That is Long Mynd 2024. What a brilliant day that we've all had. My voice is going slowly, so I'm going to finish this up here. Lanes have been amazing, weather stunning. You know, what more can you ask for, really? A lot of fun, a lot of chats, all that jazz. Really nice to meet up with people we're not seeing for a while. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to end it here. Remember to like, comment and subscribe on this video. Do all the fun things down there, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers everyone, and goodbye, and